This is not a haircut. If there's one thing connected to Christmas, it's Christmas music, and one song in particular. The album, If I Should Fall from Grace with God, from the Pokes. And the song is on here. Fairytale of New York, the most amazing Christmas song ever. And I wanted to do something with it. There are some problems. I can't sing, I can't play an instrument, and this song is a duet. But Jimmy Fallon did this 7 years ago on a show. There comes problem number 4. I'm not Jimmy Fallon, but I know somebody who can sing like an angel. Time to call Eve. She said yes.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not bow down, telling you why.
I'm somebody who plays the piano, can record music, even coach me a little in singing.
Christmas.
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 Bringing Tom into the studio. The studio is my shop.
You were pretty queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, they howled out for more.
And after that, Eve and I recorded the video for social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, whatever. But I wanted to show you guys over here as well. So this video is not a haircut, but it's something fun. And I want to wish all of you a very, very Merry Christmas, a happy 2026. I wish all the best for you and your loved ones. And of course, thank you for subscribing, watching, commenting, following me on all different platforms. It's been one hell of a ride this far. In 2026, it's gonna be amazing.
It's so cool outside.
Yeah, the wind goes right through you. It's no place for the old.
It's almost like the boys at the NYPD choir can sing Go Away Babe.
But then we need a little bit more Christmas vibes.
So happy Christmas, I love you baby. I can see a better time when all our dreams come true.
They got cars, big as bars, they got rivers of gold, but the wind goes right through you, it's no place for the old. When you first took my hand on a cold Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome,
You're pretty queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, they howled out for more. Sinatra was swinging, all the drunks they were singing. We kissed on the corner and danced through the night. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing Go Away Babe, and the bells were ringing out on Christmas Day.
Merry Christmas!